Okay, so start tag dari sa ideal op amps. So kung ideal op amps ang itsura lang ana is triangle, tas na siya positive duha na siya duha ka input, positive input, negative input. So maning duha ka input and then na siya isa ka output. So mo lang na siya triangle, positive input, negative input, then ay output. Usually pod in other op amps model na siya ani ang kaning duwa source lang man ni siya, bali na siya negative source o positive source. And what that means, matakil na to later on, is ginalimit lang niyang output. That means na kung naa siya 5 volt positive, that means ang pinakataas na provide sa op amp na output is positive 5 volts. Tapos kung naa siya negative 5 volts na negative supply, then that means ang pinakababa niya na output is negative 5 volts. Later on, ma-discuss na to ni separately. Pero focus lang sa ito dere, sa ideal op amps. So, natay, kung mag-solve tag op amps and ideal op amps, na lang tayo duha ka rules na i-follow. Ang first is that ang voltage sa duha ka input is equal. Equal sila always. Equal gina sila always. Marag na sila virtual short. So, kung 5 volts na adere, mag-memo po ni siya 5 volts sa pikas. So kung 5 volts po ang nadare sa positive input, mag 5 volts po dire. Kung negative 5 volts na dire, mag negative 5 volts dire. Mag same gina sila. Second rule is ang current sa duha ka input zero. Wala gina siya current. And very important ni siya na rule later on para dili confusing ang pag-solve. Always remember na zero ang current dire. Walay current na nagasulod dire. Okay? So muna lang duha ka rules and as a warm-up, try na to solve ni. So, example number 1, gani. So, ang ginapangutana is ang output voltage, ang feedback or ang current nagadaloy diri sa 80k and ang current nagadaloy diri sa 10k resistor. So, once ni siya i-solve. First, let's apply yung rule number 2, which is walay current na nagadaloy diri na input. Walay current nagadaloy diri. That means if na kay 1 volts diri, meaning 1 volt ning na diri, if 1 volt diri and walay current na nagadaloy diri, that means walay voltage drop across the resistor, diba? So kung 1 volts diri and then there's no voltage drop here since there's no current, kay V is equal to IR, and since I is 0, that means voltage is 0. Voltage across this resistor is 0, that means walay voltage drop. So ang marag shorted na ni siya, kumbaga marag nag-short siya. So meaning kung 1 volts na diri, 1 volts pud ang na diri sa pikas. Yan. So naay 0 voltage difference sa resistor. So kung 1 volts diri sa input, 1 volts na diri sa input since there's no current. So application na sa rule number 2. So we have determined that the positive input is 1 volt, diba? Now, rule number 1, equal always ang positive ug negative input. So kung na-determine na to na 1 volts ning positive input, then malamang dire 1 volts na pod ang negative input. So shorted man ni sila dire. So 1 volts na pod ni siya. Since na-determine na to 1 volts dire, 1 volts na pod na adre na node. Okay? So ara na solve na nato ang input voltages. Next is in solving op amps, gamiton nato siya KVL. KCL I mean, KCL. So, ang rule lang ani kung mag-KCL ka, always kini KCL. Ang rule kung mag-KCL is never nimo siya i-apply sa output ang KCL. Pwede nimo i-apply ang KCL dire, pwede nimo i-apply ang KCL dire na nodes, but never i-apply sa output. So here, ang KCL, wala na tayo other move na apply na tong rule to rule 1. Next na pod is, kung wala na yung ma-applyan ng duha ka rules, KCL na, which is, since kabalo na to sa voltage dire, pwede ito mag-KCL dire, para, siguro later on, i-discuss na to, nga no i-KCL dire. Pero KCL ta dire, since we know na voltage dire is 3 volts already, ang unknown na lang na voltage is na dire. Since bawal dire mag KCL and kanina lang ang unknown ang isa ka node, KCL ta dire. So KCL ta. KCL. So first, voltage across dire. So akong KCL is pagawas tanan current. Pwede lang ta mag-assume og current flow. So duwa lang ang current, di ba, na pagawas dire, since remember walay current na pasulod sa input. So duwa lang. So my application sa KCL is palabas lahat ng current. So kung palabas lahat ng current, again, ang KCL is here, ang current papunta dito, which is by Ohm's law, I is equal to V over R. So ano yung current papunta dito? Let's label them I1 and then here I2. Yan. So may dalawa tayong current. So ang KCL dito is I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. Kasi di ba KCL is sum of all currents leaving or entering the node is equal to 0. So we have two currents na pag KCL dito, I1 and I2. I1 is again V over R. Ang I1 natin will be, ang V dito is 1 volt minus 3 volts minus 1 volt. Wait lang. No. Kung saan ka galing minus kung saan ka papunta. So 1 volt minus 3 volts over the resistance, which is 10K. Then plus ang I2 will be the voltage over resistance. So ito na current, which is ito. So ayan. So saan ka galing minus saan ka papunta. So saan ka galing 1 volt minus kung saan ka papunta, which is the VO. Yan. And ang resistance is 80K is equal to 0. Ayan. So we have this one equation na ang isa lang din ang unknown, which is the VO. We can multiply both all sides by 80K to remove the denominators, which will result to 8 minus 2 dito, and then plus 1 minus VO is equal to 0. So 80K divided by 10K will be 8. 1 minus 3 will be negative 2. 80K divided by 80K will be 1, and then 1 minus VO. So, we will have the equation negative 16 plus 1 minus VO is equal to 0. And then isolate VO, we will have negative 15 volts. Ayan. So we have nasolve na to ang VO. Yun lang. That's it. So in solving IS, Ohm's law na lang, which is ang IS is ito yung direction niya ng current. So saan ka galing minus saan ka papunta na voltage. 3 minus 1 divided by 10K. Ayan. So isolve na lang niya lang ito. That will be the IS, which is will be 2 over 10K amps. And then ang IF, or ito, the current across the 80K will be V over R pa rin, or ang voltage is saan ka galing minus saan ka papunta. VO will be negative 15 minus saan ka papunta, 1 volt over resistance 80K. So that will be how that will be how you will be solving yung IS and IF. And then ito yung VO. Yan. So example number 2 will be this op-amp problem, and ang problem lang dito is to find the voltage output at the second stage, or dito sa second op-amp. So again, sa rules is number 1, yung input, dalawang input, walang current na pumapasok, and yung dalawang input equal always ang voltages nila. So let's try to apply the rules again. So first, yung Second rule muna, walang current na dumadaloy dito. So far, wala naman tayong ma-applyan doon na rule. So, next will be the rule 1, which is equal lahat ng voltages. So, in this case, we can note na may 3 volts na naka-attach dito. So, we can take note na itong V plus will be equal to 3 volts, di ba? And since this V plus is equal to 3 volts, then dito will be equal to 3 volts as well. Yan, 3 volts na din yan. So, next will be figuring out ilan yung V out. Now, we can take note na ito, V1 will be, yan, 1 volts. So, ito 3 volts, 1 volts. And ang unknown na voltage will be the V out. So, we can use the KVL with this one, KVL. Take note again that hindi natin pwede or dili na to pwede i-apply ang KVL sa VO. So, atong buhaton is i-apply na tong KVL sa pinakaduol na node sa VO. In this case, ang pinakaduol na node is diri na node, di ba? VO, bawal diri i-KVL. So, apply na to siya diri. So, try na to. Apply na to diri ang KVL. So, again, ang application ako sa KVL is tanan current pagawas. So, tanan current pagawas. Let's label I1 and I2. So, our KVL will be I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. Ang I1 will be voltage over resistance again. And ang voltage across the resistor will be, ang rule na ako is asa kagikan minus asa kapadto, or yun. So, asa kagikan 3 volts. So, I1 will be 3 volts minus asa kapadto 1 volt over the resistance 1K plus I2. Ang I2 is ito na current. So, again, ang rule lang nako pagawas ng current, asa kagikan minus asa kapadto. Asa kagikan 3 volts. 3 volts. Yan. Minus asa kapadto, which is VO. And then over unsang resistance 3K. Yan. Is equal to 0. That will be R1 and I2. So to simplify, let's remove the denominator by multiplying all by 3K. Pag apply natin 3K, pag multiply natin 3K dito, 3K over 1 minus over 1K, it will be equal to 3. 3. And then ito, 3 minus 1 is 2. Diba? Plus 3 over 3 is 1. And then 3 volts minus VO lang siya. So 3 minus VO is equal to 0. So this will become 6. This will become 6 plus 3. This will become 6 plus 3. And then minus VO is equal to 0. So isolate VO will be 9 is equal to VO. So yan yung VO natin. So hindi pa pala. So okay, never mind, mali. So ito yung VO natin or output sa dito. Right? Na-solve na natin yung VO using KVL. So VO is equal to 9 volts. Now, here's the thing. Shorted lang siya sa isang input ng op-amp, di ba? Shorted lang siya. So, itong positive input is 9 volts na pa rin. And again, rule number 1, equal always ang voltages ng dalawang input ng op-amp. So, dito, kung 9 volts ito, 9 volts na ditong kabila. So, 9 volts. And, yung itong negative input or the inverting input, ayan, shorted lang siya sa output. So, that means yung VO is also 9 volts. So, tama. 9 volts yung VO. 9 volts. Ayan. Ang tawag dito na op-amp is the buffer op-amp. Buffer. So, ang itsura niya lang is basically ganito. No. to. And then dito yung voltage input. And then ito output. So yan. So ito yung itsura niya. Bali may ano lang siya dito, loop, and then dito yung input niya. Parang nire-reflect niya lang kung ano yung input niya, yun din yung output niya. Buffer lang siya. So that will be example number 2. So diri kay we have an example na siya ay 5 volts positive supply and negative 5 volts negative supply. And again, review sa rules is that positive and negative supplies limits kung unsa ang output. So here pasabot ani is ang output dili siya maglampas og 5 volts and ang output dili siya mas magbaba sa negative 5 volts. So between lang siya sa negative 5 and positive 5. So let's try to solve this. So again, applying rule number 2, walang current na nagadaloy dito. And then rule number 1 is same sila voltage as always. So here shorted na ang positive supply sa ground. So meaning dito 0 volts. And what that means, rule number 1, same sila voltage. So dire 0 volts na sad, di ba? So kung 0 volts dire is 0.25 volts. Then ang unknown na lang na node is VO. And again, we cannot apply KCL sa VO. So nearest node lang niya, which is here. So we apply KCL here. KCL. So apply KCL. My application of KCL will be all currents going away from the node. So ayan. I1, I2. So I1, so KCL will be I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. I1, again, ang voltage is kung saan kagaling minus saan ka papunta. So that will be 0 minus 0.25 volts over the resistor, which is 1,600 ohms, plus I2 will be saan ka galing minus saan ka papunta ang voltage, and then divided by the resistance. So 0 minus VO over 62k ohms is equal to 0. Ito na yung KCL natin. This will turn into negative 0.25 over 1,600, while this on the other hand maging negative VO 62k is equal to 0. Simplifying, try natin remove yung yung denominator, so times 62k. Ang matira dito will be, if tamang pag-calculate, 9,000.656875, and then here is negative VO, and then is equal to 0. So isolate VO. VO will be negative 9.6875 volts. According sa solving natin, if ideal yung op-amp and walang limit, the output should be negative 9.6 volts. However, may limitations tayo sa op-amp, which is ito yung supply nila. And negative 9.6 is lower than negative 5 volts. So this will not be possible. Not possible. So, ang sagot natin dito is ano yung pinakababa natin na possible output, which is negative 5 volts. So VO will be equal to negative 5 volts. It's supposed to go lower. Ang goal talaga ng op-amp, if ideal siya, is negative 9.6 according sa circuit. However, may limitation yung output niya. So it will be the lowest value will be negative 5 volts. Okay, so kanya tong last problem, ground. Forgot the ground. So kanya tong last problem, and kaning uban problems of amp murag lisod siya tanawon, pero dali lang siya actually kung i-apply lang nimo ang mga rules, which is again rule number 1, V minus negative input, voltage ng negative input is equal always sa voltage sa positive input, di ba? Input. Number 2 is walay current, I is equal to 0 sa inputs, I inputs. Walay current ang mga inputs. So, let's try to apply those rules para mapadali ang pag-solve sa op-amp. So, may negative positive pala dito. Okay. So, let's try. So, first, negative 6 volts na ang isang input ng op-amp. So, that means, apply na to ang rule, number 1. So, kung 6 volts na dere, that means, kung 6 volts dere na input, 6 volts na po dere sa pikas na input. 6 volts. And shorted siya. So, that means, dito 6 volts. Okay? That's good. Next, same din dito, 8 volts yung isang input. So, that means, dito, sa isang kabilang input, 8 volts na din. 8 volts. Okay. Next here. Dito na naman tayo. So, dito, pwede natin i-apply yung voltage divider. Remember, na yung current dito is pag ganito lang. Right? So, voltage divider siya. Because, walang current na dumadaloy dito. Dito. Walang current. I is equal to 0. So, parang naging voltage divider lang siya. The current is flowing one way. So, we can solve that ang voltage dito will be 6 voltage divider tayo. That means na ito yung voltage across this resistor ang kailangan natin for this. So, voltage ng resistor over the total resistance, which is 60k ohms. Ang total voltage will be 4 volts. Ayan. So, na-solve na nato na 4 volt. Na-solve na nato na 4 volts diri. So, asa ni siya, shorted ni siya diri sa isa ka input sa op-amp. So, ang isa ka input sa op-amp is 4 volts. We apply the same rule. So, that means diri, or actually diri, 4 volts sad. Okay, so na-discover by just applying the two rules, na simplify na nato 4 volts diri. Ang unknown na lang is ang VO, which we can solve using KCL. So here we can KCL, same KCL, I1 here, palabas lahat ng current, I2. So it will be I1 plus I2 is equal to 0 volts, equal to 0 amps. And then ang I1 will be saan ka galing minus saan ka papunta, 4 minus 8 over the resistance, which is 20k, plus the I2 will be saan ka galing minus saan ka papunta, so it will be 4 minus VO over resistance 40k is equal to 0. Let's simplify this. Multiply all sides by 40k to remove the denominators. So, ito maging negative 4 sa taas, and 40k divided by 20k will be 40k divided by 20k will be equals to 2. So, 2 times negative 4 plus here 40k over 40k is equals to 1. So again, so here 2 multiplied by negative 4, and here 40k over 40k will be 1, so that will be 4 minus VO is equal to 0. The equation, patuloy natin dito, will be negative 8 plus 4 is equal to VO. Transfer natin ng VO sa kabila. So, VO will be equal to negative 4 volts. Ayan, nasolve na natin.